Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. A graph is given where a line segment AB meets x-axis at A and y-axis at B, and the point P is given, and the point P lies on AB, which divides in the ratio of 2 to 3. So we need to find the coordinates of A and B. Given a point P minus 3 comma 4, let that point as x comma y, and see here a point A at x-axis is in the x-axis, so y coordinate will be 0, and similarly for B is in the y-axis, so x coordinate will be 0. So point A as x1 comma 0 and point B 0 comma y2. So let's assume like that, and the line AB divides in the ratio of 2 to 3. Let the ratio as m1 and m2, so 2 to 3 as m1 to m2. So the coordinates of a P are, we can write the formula as x equals to m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and y coordinate as y equals to m1 y2 plus m2 into y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So now substitute the values and find the coordinates of A and B. So x value is minus 3, so minus 3 equals to m1 value is 2, so 2 into 0 plus m2 is 3 into x1 value is x1, so m1 m2 is 2 plus 3. Similarly for y coordinate, we'll get y value as 4, so 4 equals to 2 into y2 value is y2, and m2 is 3 and y1 is 0, so 3 times of 0 divided by 2 plus 3. So if we simplify this, we'll get minus 3 equals to 3x1 divided by 5, and 4 equals to 2y2 divided by 5. So if you move the 5 to other side, we'll get minus 15 equals to 3x1 and 20 equals to 2y2. So x1 is equals to minus 15 by 3, which is minus 5, and y2 is 20 by 2, which is 10. So x1 is equals to minus 5 and y2 equals to 10. Now write down the coordinates of A and B. So the coordinate A is x1 comma 0. Coordinate A is x1 comma 0. So here x1 is minus 5, so coordinate A is minus 5 comma 0. Similarly coordinate B is 0 comma y2, so here the coordinate B is 0 comma 10. So these are the coordinates of A and B. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.